So the potatoes I dug up in the garden this morning, it's not a whole lot. They're small potatoes. You can see my thumb in there. I know I need to clip my toenails. I mean my fingernails. Probably my toenails too. But anyway, they feel good. They feel right. They feel good. This is just enough for one little meal. Probably just rinse them off, clean them off, put them in a little pan and boil them a little bit. Then add them to something. Maybe put some green beans and onions in with them or something like that. Enough for one meal. But this is an example of what you can do. I think it took maybe 2 or 3 of these little potatoes planted in the garden to make a little bucket of potatoes.